Hey guys, it's DestinyLashae, and today I have a really exciting video for you guys because I feel like the whole internet is hyped up about, the MAC Aaliyah collaboration or collection. And I'm really excited to try out these products because most of these products, honestly, I would never gravitate towards because I love warm tones. And this collection has completely cool tone vibes to it, okay? So it looks like the collection comes with 2 lip pencils. This is the color Nevermore, and this is a swatch of the color Follow Your Heart. It also comes with 4 lip glasses. The first one is the color At Your Best You Are. The second one is Brooklyn Born. The third one is Lily's Motor City. And the fourth one is One in a Million. So also in this collection are 3 lipsticks, like traditional lipsticks. The first one is called Street Thing, and it's a frost lipstick. The second one is Hot Like, and it's a amplified cream lipstick. And the third one is More Than a Woman. It's a amplified cream lipstick as well. Hey guys, Editing Destiny here. Actually, there are 4 traditional lipsticks that come in this collection, obviously sold separately. But this is the color Try Again, and it's like a really ashy nude color, but it's a cute ashy, if you know what I mean. So the collection also has a eyeshadow palette, and this is an Age Ain't Nothing eyeshadow palette. This is a nice, pretty, cool tone palette, and the eyeshadows are pretty small in there, but it's a really, really nice compact, and it's really cute. It has her signature on it, and it's a nice metallic purple packaging. It's really, really cute. So the last thing that I'm going to talk about in the collection, I'm honestly really questioning because I don't know if it's going to work on me. It is the Baby Girl bronzing powder, and it's very pretty. Like, the packaging is very, very pretty. It looks like a very glittery bronzer that would work on lighter skin people, unlike myself. So I don't know, I guess we'll see. This also comes with a mirror. The packaging is super, super cute, but this is the one thing that I'm questioning in the collection, if you know what I mean. So now comes the exciting part. You guys have seen swatches of the products. Now I'm gonna try them out and see if they're actually good. Hopefully they are, because it's Aaliyah and it's MAC, so it better be good. First, I'm gonna try out the eyeshadow quad. I've already primed my eyes with a LA Pro concealer as a base for my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna take this brown shade right here, and I'm using a Morphe 511 brush. I'm gonna dip into that. That color, when I swatched it, seemed pretty pigmented. I'm gonna put this shade right below my brow bone. Whoa. Oh yeah, that's pigmented. This brown shade is really, really pigmented. On the eyes, it transfers a lot more cool than I expected it to be, because in the pan it doesn't look as cool as it does on my eyes, but it's still pretty. Now I'm gonna go in to this shade right here on the bottom, and I'm gonna use this in the outer portion of my eyes. This is definitely, it looks darker on my eyes than it does in the pan. It looks more like a dark brown in the pan, and it transfers on my eyes a lot darker. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into this gold shade right here, and these colors swatched very nicely, so hopefully they look nice on the lid. Oh my goodness, that is pigmented. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. I think I'm gonna go into the silver shade right here. I'm gonna use that same little brush, and I'm gonna put this in the inner corners just because I want to try to test out as many shades as I can. Yeah, this one's really pigmented as well. This eyeshadow palette is really nice. I love the packaging and the colors are very pigmented and it gives you a full nice eyeshadow look without using any other palette. So I really like this about this palette and I feel like I will definitely be using this again. I have a ton of eyeshadow and makeup and stuff, but this will definitely be my new go-to if I'm looking for a cool toned palette. Alright, so now we're going to move on to lips. The first shade that I'm going to try on my lips is the Nevermore lip pencil. This lip pencil reminds me of Night Moth by MAC. If you've tried it, it's a really deep purple, but I feel like this one is a little bit deeper. And then in the center, I'm going to use the color Try Again. This is a matte lipstick, and this is more of that nudie color. So this lipstick, the Try Again lipstick, I could not wear on its own for sure because it's a little bit too cool and it would look like I have powdered donut lips. So I definitely could not wear this on its own, but it's pretty paired with a deeper lip liner. So I'm going to try the Follow Your Heart lip pencil. This reminds me of Cherry by MAC. It's a really true red lip pencil. So this is what Follow Your Heart looks like by itself. And then I'm going to fill it in with Hot Like. And this is a amplified cream lipstick. This is definitely very creamy. If you don't like matte lipsticks, this color and the finish feels really nice. The next lipstick that I'm going to try is More Than a Woman. This is like a nice berry purpley shade. This is a amplified cream lipstick. It feels just like the red one, very creamy and comfortable on the lips. Alright, so the next shade that I'm going to try is Street Thing. This is a frost lipstick and this looks like a dark purple berry color with glitter. I did have to build this color up a little bit more, I feel like, because it has glitter in it. But once it's on the lips, it looks really pretty. This does not feel dry or anything on the lips. I don't gravitate towards black lipsticks, but if I had to wear a black lipstick, this would be it. So now I'm going to try out the lip glasses. This is the color Brooklyn Born. This is a nice cream colored glitter shade and it looks very sheer. Like all of these shades I would never try out in the store, but this really surprised me. I thought this would be more sheer, but on the lips it is like a holographic white, but it's really pretty and it's very 90s. Alright, so the next shade that I'm going to try is Lily's Motor City. This shade reminds me a lot of like an orange nude lip gloss, and I can't remember the name of it. This is very cute for summer. If you like color but you don't like too much color and you love lip gloss, this is really cute. So now I'm going to try out the color At Your Best You Are, and this is like a nice burgundy colored lip gloss. I feel like with all the MAC lip glosses, when they get darker, you have to really build them up a little bit. So I did have to really layer this one to get the pigment to look nice and, you know, pigmented. So the last lip gloss is One in a Million. Honestly, I picked this one to go last because I knew I would love it. And it's super shiny. Like, MAC lip glosses are super shiny. With this One in a Million lipstick, like I said, with MAC darker lip glosses, I feel like you have to layer them a lot more. I did have to do about 2 to 3 layers to get it to this pigment, but it's still really, really pretty and it still looks cute. So now for the product of the hour, the MAC Baby Girl Bronzing Powder. Now, I'm not too sure what they were thinking when they made this product, to be honest. Like, was this made to be a bronzer, as in giving you that sun-kissed kind of contour look, like where I put my contour, or was this meant to be a highlight? Honestly, when it was swatched, it looks like absolutely nothing. So just for kicks and giggles, we're gonna try this out. So let's just see if this looks like anything. I see a little bit of sheen, but it's not popping. It gives me the tiniest hint of shimmer. Honestly, this bronzing powder, like I figured, is very disappointing. It does not, no. Whoops. I expected it to be either a bronzer or a highlight, and if it was either one of the two, for them to actually show up. It depends on what you like. Makeup is all preference, you know what I mean? So but that's all I have to say, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you. Thumbs up this video if it helped you out. And are you guys buying this collection? Because I want to know. Just let me know in the comments down below, and what products do you think you'll be purchasing from the Aaliyah collection. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.